Bigyan natin ng opinion, reaction, itong post ni Mr. Bobby Tiglao o Rigoberto Tiglao, ang columnist ng Manila Times. Ito, I received, sabi niya, via Viber, this photo of a Beverly Hills police record supervisor reporting on Mr. Tantoco's death and persons who were with him when police arrived. Lisa Araneta Marcos was one. I also checked if there was such a record supervisor. There is. The palace spokesperson who denied this should explain. Matatanda na natin, tinawag ni Jose Claire Castro na fake news si BP Sara nung binanggit ni BP Sara tungkol sa police report na ito. O ito na, kumakalat na ang police report. Basahin natin ang police report ha. O ang nakaperma is, sandali ha. O may record supervisor. Okay, basta ito. Maliliit. Okay. Officers entered room and observed hotel security performing chest compression on subconscious male subject. Officer took over with life-saving measures, and subject was pronounced deceased as of, yan, may oras, by paramedic, and the cause is initially suspended to be drug overdose. We have powder suspected to be coke was seen scattered on tables and on the floor. Companions of the victim were summoned to BHPD for questioning, and they were Dina Arroyo Tantoco, Lisa Araneta Marcos, and Alexa Maro. Yan. Kasama po ang pangalan Liza Araneta Marcos sa police report. Okay. So ito yung mga Donna Kersey. Ito yung mga Donna Kersey. Ito yung mga nag-report. Okay. Anyway. Yan. Post ito ni Mr. Rigoberto Tiglao. Nandun ang pangalan ng Liza Araneta Marcos. Okay, so hinihingi ni Mr. Rigoberto Tiglao na mag-explain yung spokesperson na nag-deny. Hindi daw ito totoo. Magbasa tayo sa mga comments ha. Claro, you are liar and you will teach others. You are fake disbarment. Next. Proverbs, be share, sabi, Proverbs 12:19 states, truthful lips endure forever, but a lying tongue only for a moment. Chris, stop. Kaigit si Auntie Claire, labas naglam. John Bay, onsa pa ang i-deny, ani? Alvin Giam, is that the end of it, or is the investigation is still ongoing on the other individuals at the incident for violation of other laws like possession? Nowhere to hide, Auntie Claire, na corner na si Blanc. Okay, so kumusta? Meron na bang palace briefing? Sandali ha, hindi ko pa nag-check. Pati si EID ready. Okay, sandali. Chine-check up pa natin kung wala akong na-monitor Wala akong na-monitor kung mayroong palace briefings ang palasyo tungkol dito. Tinitingnan ko ba? Parang wala eh. Meron ba kayong napanood na palace briefing ni Jose Castro tungkol nito? Wala talaga. Wala. Usually, halos every day, nagpapalas briefing sila, lalo na Monday. So, ito, napakalaking issue ito na sumabog. Ang nagtatanong, may mga nagtatanong, yung timing ba ng paglabas sa report ng medical examiner, itinaon na papunta na sa US si Pangulong Bongbong Marcos, this 7 days from now. Kaya maraming haka-haka sino ba ito? Si General De Leon, yung post niya. Ano ba ito? Baka mamaya, yung maintindihan ko sa post niya, baka mamaya hawak na tayo sa liig. Dahil sa nangyaring ito. Kung ano-ano na lang ang idikta. Pag sasabihin ng US government, oo na lang daw ng oo dahil sa pangyayaring ito. So, nako-compromise ang ating national security. So sana magpaliwanag. Katulad noon issue kay Defense Secretary Gilbert Chodoro, lumabas sa Manila Times na European citizen siya. Mayroon siyang Maltese passport o Malta yung bansa. Mabilis na sumagot ang DND na yung Maltese passport na yon na isurrender noong 2021 bago siya tumakbo na senador ba noong 2022. Yeah. Na isurrender na. At bago siya ma-confirm noong 2023 na pag-usapan na rin yan. Yan. Dapat ganon kabilis sumagot. Napakaganda yung ginawa ng DND para masettle once and for all ang issue. Ito naman, I don't know kung anong approach ng Malacanang dito. Bakit hanggang ngayon wala pang palace briefing tungkol? Tatahimik na lang ba sila? Lalong magtatanong ang taong bayan. Kaya, subaybayan po natin ito. Huwag tayong tatahimik hanggat hindi maklaro ano ba itong nangyaring ito. It's a government activity funded by us taxpayer yung lakad nilang iyon. Kaya hindi pwedeng magtahitahimik na lang. We need to know.